Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. India and Canada agreed on a new roadmap to reset relations after talks in which city? New Delhi. What plan was unveiled by India to harness 76 gigawatts of power from the Brahmaputra basin? Hydroelectric transmission. Which civic body will spend 81 crore rupees cleaning sewage lines without human intervention? Pune. Nobel Prize in Economics 2025 was awarded for contributions to which field? Innovation and economic growth. In October 2025, which company announced a 15,000 crore rupees investment creating 14,000 engineering jobs in Tamil Nadu? Foxconn. Which major city became India's first to get live traffic signal timings? Bengaluru. Who became the highest wicket-taker in tests in 2025? Mohammad Siraj. Which country did India agree to build homes for 14,000 Tamils? Sri Lanka. Which global summit did an Indian minister attend in Egypt in October 2025? Gaza Summit. Who extended tenure as Tata Sons chairman? N. Chandrasekaran. Qatar-based IMD issued a heavy rainfall warning for which Indian region until 18th October? South. Which entity added 9,075 new seats for NEET UG 2025? NMC. Indian government migrated 1.2 million email accounts to what platform? Zoho. India's retail inflation in September 2025 fell to what percentage? .54%. Who was named CPI ML candidate for Bihar poll? Divya Gautam. Which global day was observed on 14th October 2025? World Standards Day. Who did Javed Akhtar publicly criticize for a reception in India? Taliban minister. India completed migration of government email accounts under which initiative? Atmanirbhar Bharat. Who unveiled a statue of ex-Himachal CM Veerbhadra Singh in Shimla? Sonia Gandhi. Which Indian corridor project links Meerut and Gurugram in 100 minutes? Delhi SNB Namo Bharat. Who won 2025 Test milestone by dismissing Shai Hope? Siraj. Which company partnered with IICT, FIXI for AVGC XR sector support? Netflix India. Flipkart and Pine Labs launched which payment product? Bharat Yatra Card. Gurugram introduced India's first QR-based kiosk for paying what? Traffic fines. Who became IMF first Deputy Managing Director? Dan Katz. Which Indian scheme aids repatriation of mortal remains? Shraddhanjali. Galaxy Space to launch which satellite in 2026? Mission Drishti. Which team won Archery Premier League 2025? Rajputana Royals. What did PM Modi advocate for increased farmer income? Group farming. Which organization was recognized as Asia's safest bank for the 17th time? DBS Bank. SW Monsoon withdrew from which state by 14th October 2025? West Bengal. Who was sent on leave after an IPS officer's suicide note in Haryana? State DGP. Which organization celebrated completion of migration to cloud in October? NIC. India requests attention to climate adaptation at which conference? Pre-COP 30. Lalu Prasad and Tejasvi Yadav were charged with what crime by a Delhi court? Cheating. India hosted which meeting for NEET UG expansion? NMC review. Which Indian city was shortlisted for Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025? Gujarat. Who did PM Modi support in US efforts for peace after hostages freed from Gaza? Trump. Who surpassed Mujarbani as highest Test wicketaker in 2025? Siraj. Which government closed schools for Diwali starting 14th October? Rajasthan. Which award-winning actress passed away in October 2025? Diane Keaton. How much is the total prize pool for India AI Impact Summit 2026? ₹5 crore. What is the new standard for government cloud migration in India in 2025? Joho. Which cricket event saw Jadeja's performance against West Indies? Test series. Who called for a CBI probe in Karur stampede? Supreme Court. Which Indian institute launched the first online MTech MSc admissions portal in October 2025? IIT Kanpur. Which country did India rebuke at UN for terrorism? Pakistan. Who did Trump publicly praise in Israel Parliament in October 2025? Netanyahu. Who won 2025 Nobel Prize in Economics? Moker, Aghyo and Howitt. Who became RBI's new executive director in October 2025? Sonali Sen Gupta. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.